Here we are back with another PSLE question and another vocabulary question. Much bigger than the lift of a residential building, a hospital lift can something, a trolley bed, and a few people comfortably. So we're talking about lift, we're talking about size, we're talking about space that we can figure out. What are our options? Enclose, comprise, incorporate, accommodate. If you look in the dictionary, all of these words kind of have very similar meanings, but not exactly the same. Let's look at them one by one. Enclose, also a verb. What does it mean? It means to cover or include something. When do you use enclose? When you're talking about, let's say, you are sending a letter to somebody and you would write in the letter, enclosed in this letter is the $20 payment for that thing that I owed you. So you are putting your letter and the $20 bill into the same envelope. Comprise. What does comprise mean? To include. That's the meaning of comprise. You would use it. You may have seen it somewhere, like the goodie bag comprises of food and beverages along with a few free gifts. So what does it include? That's comprise. Now, incorporate also means to include. Now, let's look at the difference between comprise and incorporate. Incorporate, you would say something like, the design incorporated disability-friendly features, as opposed to the goodie bag comprises of food and free gifts. So it's something more bigger in terms of things which are bigger concepts, like the design of the building incorporated disability-friendly features, or the mission of the school incorporated the need to be friendly towards people of different ethnicities. Accommodate. Where have you seen accommodate before? In the word accommodation. In case anyone is going for overseas trips, or in future when you go for university or college abroad, you would need to apply for accommodation. Accommodation means to include within a space or a group. So in a way, you can use it similar to this. The design accommodates disability features, or the space is able, or this room is able to accommodate about 10 people. So looking at this form, what do you think is the answer? We're talking about lifts, including people, and a trolley bed. Your answer is 4.